What's up, guys? We are here at the Grove, also known as the Farmers Market, and it is the holiday season. It's beautiful here during the holiday season. So many lights, great places to eat. We're going to take in and show you inside what they have.
Snowflakes twirl, the nights aglow. Candy canes and mistletoe. Stockings hung, the fire's warm. Santa's sleigh outruns the storm. Oh, we're dancing round the Christmas tree. Lights are shining for all to see. Let's keep it going where the joy bell goes.
There is the Santa's Workshop. It's a little spot. You go in there, meet Santa. I'm guessing I've never been in there, but there's the Barnes and Nobles. And just to get another view, you can just see how cool it is. Christmas music everywhere. And I believe just past this Christmas house is going to be where the fake snow is, if they're doing it this year. It's just one more little thing that added to the magic. And I hope to see it this year. This is basically a big shopping area. It's an outdoor mall, and toward the end of it, you're going to run into the farmers market, where it's a basic farmers market like anything else, but there's foods from all over, all different, any type of food you can think of they have there, and some of it's really, really good. You know, you go do your Christmas shopping, and then you stop and get something to eat. So, okay, here on the other side, this is the actual entrance that people are going in. What's in there? Is there like a Santa Claus in there?
Yeah, that's where you get your photo with Santa.
You go in, you get your creepy photo with Santa that you see years later where the kids are terrified. And then it's on the internet somewhere. We are rolling up on the trolley. You can see it's all decorated with lights. Let's get around this way, friend. Get a good shot of it. Gotta try to break through the peeps here. I mean, a lot of people taking photos, looking styling and whatnot. Here it is. So we get close up. Maybe get you some shots inside of it. Not getting in, but we'll scroll by really quick. And you can see that staircase, the conductors, and the seats.
There it goes.
There's a shot of it moving.
Okay, so I just looked it up, and the nightly snow is at 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. It's 7:52 right now, so we're going to hang around so that we can film it for you.
So what, there's like a bunch of machines. What is this shooting out?
I think it's bubbles.
You can see people have it start landing in their hair and stuff like that. Got the fountains
and
over there.
And the fountains are going.
All the lights. You got Santa on his sleigh, his reindeer. It all tied. You're good. It all ties up together. Is it in my hair? I think so.
Not really.
I think it is, friend. I think it is, unless those are just grays, which they very well may be. There's a movie theater right there.
Yeah.
What?
It's snowing.
I told you it was
snowing in Los Angeles.
We have Banana Republic here. Little quick story. When I was a kid, I used to work at the Gap, and I got discounts at Banana Republic during the holiday season, that was. So whenever I see Banana Republic, it actually reminds me of the holiday season. You have the row of palm trees, of course. We are in California, all lit up from head to toe. You can come down here and break away from the crowd a little bit and just hang out and see that cool California view. Little candy store here if you want to get some treats, maybe a candy cane or two. Entrance to the farmers market area, the food court. You can see it's decorated in here as well. This restaurant has icicles and Santa Claus, or a snowman, all that jazz. This is coffee corner. There's supposed to be really good coffee there. It's like a burger place down here. I'm gonna head down in the direction to where Pasta Corner is, which is my favorite. But you can see there's all different stations, all different types of things to choose from. This place looks like it serves pickles. I'm gonna try to break through this way to maybe get pace. It's a little too busy on the other side there. But you can see there's shops, stuff that you can buy, different little trinkets and whatnot. Lots of sweets and things of that nature right around here. You get some fudge, chocolate dipped oranges. As we walk and proceed down, there's an ice cream shop right over here. We're getting closer. So it's on the opposite end. When you first walk in, the place I like, Pasta Corner, is on the opposite end. It is going to be busy in here, so be prepared to shuffle through with a lot of people. But here we are. There is the Pasta Corner right there. The best vodka pasta you're ever going to find. In my opinion, my favorite vodka pasta dish in Los Angeles. I've come here many times. I love it. It's fantastic. And I'll have to show you what it looks like.
Every time I visit the Grove, I can't resist ordering the La Mache style pasta with a creamy tomato vodka sauce. The red pepper adds a nice kick without being overpowering, while the freshly made La Mache pasta itself feels like a cross between rigatonis and elbow macaroni. This style of pasta pairs perfectly with the sauce, as each piece holds a bit of it inside, giving you a burst of flavor in every bite. There is usually a bit of a line, but it's well worth the wait. If you're in Los Angeles during the holidays, the Grove is a must visit for its festive atmosphere. Just be prepared for heavy crowds, especially around the iconic fountain area, and expect traffic when arriving and leaving. Even if you're not a fan of crowds, it's worth experiencing at least once in December to soak in the holiday spirit. For more recommendations and things to do in Los Angeles, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.